Don't forget to hit subscribe and change it to past tense. Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today I'm starting a little series, a birthday party theme series. October is my birthday month, so I decided to pull out some of my birthday stuff to celebrate. So the first one we have here is a Learning Resources Shape Sorting Presents set. It is a 96-piece set. It says shape sorting fun inside every box, ages 3 and up. And it's rated for grades pre-K+. So I'll show you what we get inside here. So here are the boxes. They are quite large. You can see this one is the circle one, and they're really cute, and they've got the bow on top. I think I've already got them sorted, but I wanted to show you the types of things that are inside. So round things. So we've got a yo-yo, we've got a CD, cookies, dartboard, button, pizza, orange, tire, basketball. I can see how nice and real photos they are. So if we're looking at doing some describing words, we can talk about things that are round. So we can either pull out these kind of things from a hat or a little bag. So we can start to describe some of these things. So we could give 2 features. It's orange and it's round. It's yellow and it's round and it has holes in the middle. So we're kind of working up at the preschool level, trying to get a little bit more than just the color. So often my clients, they will say, oh, it's yellow and it's circle. So I would say, oh, it's yellow is right. Let's think of another word for circle. We could say that it's round. So, and then it's maybe fuzzy or something. So we can kind of scaffold on whatever they say. And this one we could add some function in. So it's round and it's orange and black. And tell me what it does. It bounces. And you can throw it into a net. So we can start to describe some of these things with a little bit more detail. Round and shapes are just one of the ways of describing something. So look at the squares. We've got maybe a mat, a towel, a piece of paper, a cake. These things, I'm not even sure what they are. They look all the same. A plate, a frame, another button, a window, a chalkboard, a present, piece of bread, oops, and a chessboard. This is going to be a little harder, but we can use square to describe those as well. Plus the color, plus another feature. So you get the idea. I just wanted to show you how cute these illustrations are, and these boxes are super sturdy and they're kind of shiny, so you could, if you wanted to, write a word on there with a whiteboard marker, and then you can kind of bring it up to the next level if you wanted to. Some triangle shaped things, a tent, pizza, cone, another button. You can choose a small set to work with if you want, and then you pull them out, mix a few together, and then you can pull them out one by one and describe them. So we have oval things, star-shaped things. These boxes are just super cute. Kids like to interact with kind of realistic kind of items. They have on the back of the cards as well the shape just to outline, so it's not going to be a huge surprise which shape is on the back, but they're still cute. And when you do find them, you can put them back like this. They have like a little slice inside, so it's like a little piggy bank, and you can put them in when you find the right shape. So those are really cute. I wanted to show you as well, if you don't have this fancy set, you can make one. These are just little boxes that I've picked up at the dollar store, and I like them because they had lots of different shapes. So we've got a rectangle box, so you could cut a slice in there and you could put rectangle things. And I got 3 different colors. There's circle shaped things. There's an oval, and you can see you do oval shaped things. Instead of a star, we have a heart shape. And We have a square as well, so we have a square and a rectangle box. So I think the only ones I didn't get are triangle shaped, but instead of that one, we got a hexagon shape as well. So I have a set, so I've got all three colors. I've got all three colors in 6 different shapes, so it's almost exactly the same. I actually got this shape sorting presents after I already had these, but I think it's something you could totally make if you are in the right place at the right time at the dollar store and you can find something that you can use. And then you would just have to find some pictures of items, probably online. It's just the easiest way, on Google Images, and then you can just print them, cut the holes in the tops of the boxes, and then you can go. Even if you don't want to cut the boxes, you can just have the kids open the box and close it, because that's still fun as well. And I also got some green as well. So I got pink and blue and green in all different shapes. So we can talk about the boxes that we're putting them in as well. I always store my toys in these type of plastic vinyl bags. You get these when you buy a set of sheets. So I always save them and they make great storage. Some of my clients with an ASD really like talking about shapes. So this just brings in some vocabulary that's related to shapes, but is also enriching their vocabulary at the same time. So yes, it's a circle, but it's also a basketball. What do you do with a basketball? You bounce it, you throw it, you catch it. So we can work in function with a lot of these things as well, which automatically works on verbs at the same time. So if they're interested in shapes, then I can take that interest and increase their vocabulary as well. If you are new to our channel, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We're happy to have you along for the ride. If you comment down below, that's great for our channel. I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.